Using attention grabbers my students have never heard before, day 12. It's a me! Mario! Yeah! What would you do
if you make stew?
That's amazing, but it's what would you do for a Klondike bar?
What?
You don't know that one? Hakuna
Matata!
Nice! Look at all those
chickens!
Yeah! Ah! You could have made me drop my croissant! Winner, winner!
Chicken dinner!
Nice!
Something I bet you didn't know, part 7. In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you a cool trick at the gas pump. When you're pumping gas, all you have to do is hit the enter button. And you can prepay the amount you want to at the pump. Enjoy.
I'm sorry?
I'd like to have one Beyond Sausage Sandwich, please.
Okay, anything else?
Let's see. Do you have anything pumpkin drinks?
Yes.
I'll take that one.
Would you want a coffee or latte?
I'll do one latte, please.
What size?
One, yes, with ice.
What?
With ice.
What size?
Can I do a medium?
Medium ice pumpkin latte, anything else?
That'll be it, sir.
Your total's gonna be 818.
Thank you so much.
Mega roll. Look at the size of that thing. Is that for 6?
14 slices of bacon.
Stop it.
Frying pan.
14 slices of bacon in one roll.
Prep your cheese.
Cheddar cheese.
Nice and thick.
No, grate the cheese. Why are you slicing so thick? Are you going to toast
Whole
that?
block will do.
Under the grill, get it nice and
Add your whole block
caramelised?
of cheese
Oh
to the frying
no!
pan.
You're
Let
putting
it melt.
cheddar cheese in a frying pan. No.
Add your bacon and cheese
You
to the roll.
don't add bacon and cheese to a flipping frying
Add
pan, you
ketchup.
donut. Oh my God.
Fold it together.
Cut it into
Then
4.
you've got your
Cut it into
14
4.
slice, one cheese block.
Oh no, stop it.
Heaven sandwich.
Stop it. Heaven.
Nick,
Young man,
Nick.
you're going to hell.
Seriously, you're gonna eat all of it, are you?
It's all in your beard, you
stop it. No,
donut.
I
A
can't eat
beard
that.
fondue.
No, you're gonna have to share it, Nick.
Share
That's the
it.
only fair thing here. Nick.
Really?
I can do that. We cooking, baby. Let me see if I got me a pizza lunchable. Is that a pizza? Yes, baby. Oh, we gonna need some of that damn old spicy, baby. They must super glue this thing on here. Why won't it come off? What side are you supposed to use? This side looks so fancy.
Mystery sauce.
Bloop, bloop, and bloop. Happy, happy, not so happy. Make it rain. I make it rain, I make it rain, I make it rain. Some of that spicy. Add these pepperonis. Oops, you ain't see that. Into the air fryer. Go! Get in the chopper. Pepperoni went flying. Chicken wing, it's so good.
Let me show you something crazy. What do you wear on your feet? But not shoes. What do you wear on your feet? Not shoes though. Socks. Okay. What do you wear on your hands? What do you wear on your hands? Gloves. Good. What's this stuff on my head? What is this stuff? That's hair. Good. Okay, I want you to think of any number between 13 and 20. Think of any number between 13 and 20. Double tap the screen when you got it. You thought of 17. If I got that right, you got to follow.
Level 1. Level 2. Level 3. Level 4. Level 5. You've got to fight boom boom for your right boom from to bum boom 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 dee boom 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 boom.
Aw, thanks, Grandma. You're smart, funny, kind, and I wish you the very best on your birthday. Love, Grandma. Oh, thanks, Grandma.
Hey guys, it's time to see how much money my laundromat made, and today I have little time, so we're opening up these 3 washers here. These usually make the most money, and this is about a week, maybe 6 days worth of running on these. I have a total of 20 machines that collect money inside the laundry, so this is just 3, and it got stuck. Oh boy. Look at all the delicious quarters. Now we're going to run them through my coin machine and see how much money is here. Dump them in without dying. There they go, spinning around. $1,535, just $383, and here are my costs. And I own the location.
This is the world's oldest magic trick. Now, this is something that comes to us from ancient Egypt. Uses a little red ball and a copper cup. All I'm going to do is I'm going to take the little red ball, place it into my hand, give it a little rub, make it vanish, and it reappears underneath the copper cup. Now, some people assume that I use a second ball for this. Well, that would just be absurd. That's not magic. That's just using a second ball. What's magic is when I make the ball vanish, and it doesn't come back under the cup quite yet. It comes back when I snap my fingers. That's when the ball comes back. Now, you can see that there's no levers, no trapdoors, no secret compartments. But what's even weirder is if I were to get rid of the ball, that actually makes room for the lemon right here. And what's even stranger is that also makes room for the pool ball right there. I think that's worth a like, a follow, and maybe even a share. Thanks so much and have a great rest of your day.
All right, watch closely because this is pretty wild.
Yo, Zach, it worked.
Did it work?
It worked, dude.
Nice, that's awesome. The power of mirrors.